It's here. We were presented a short teaser in the latest update to GeneratePress Premium, and now we get our first glimpse of it. GeneratePress 3.0 has landed, and this update is a big one. In fact, the developers are calling it the start of a new era. However, you should almost certainly not install it yet. GeneratePress 3.0 is still in the alpha stage of development and thus will still contain a fair share of bugs and quirks. What you should do is watch this video so you know what to expect when this update is ready for production. A quick primer for those who might not have heard of GeneratePress. GeneratePress is possibly the fastest and most versatile theme for WordPress, and it's the only WordPress theme I personally work with. I have a video showcasing 4 completely different looking sites all built using this theme. GeneratePress is secure, stable, lightweight and developer friendly. From my own experience, I can also say that GeneratePress has a great team of developers and a really friendly community behind it that are more than helpful when questions arise. GeneratePress itself is a free theme that can be downloaded from WordPress.org. GeneratePress Premium, which costs $50, takes the free theme to a whole other level. It gives you access to a number of modules which allow you to customize your website however you want. If you do want to work with GeneratePress, I highly suggest you pay for GeneratePress Premium. It's worth every penny. And I've got an affiliate link in the description down below. Using it won't affect you, but it will give me a little kickback as a Dankeschön. The first thing you'll notice as I open my test site is that GeneratePress has a new default look. It's much cleaner and really quite minimal. The header has been slimmed down by integrating the menu next to the site title. As we should expect from GeneratePress, this design is fully responsive and will look great no matter what device you're using to view it. For the untrained user of GeneratePress 3.0, that will be the only noticeable difference. Well, there's that and possibly the increase in performance, but then again, GeneratePress has always been one of, if not the fastest theme out there. Website designers and coders, on the other hand, will notice the bigger changes to how GeneratePress works, and it might take some adjustments to make use of all the performance benefits. First of all, GeneratePress will switch from legacy floats and the unsemantic grid to the Flexbox Grid. Now, I'm not going to act like I know all the ins and outs of this change, but I do trust the developers in what they're doing. The grid is more or less the foundation on which GeneratePress is built on, so even if you aren't a coder, you know this is a massive change. And this change could actually break your site, but it won't, because of course the GeneratePress developers have thought of that and made GeneratePress 3.0 backwards compatible. The Flexbox Grid provides a significant reduction in CSS, it has cleaner and lighter HTML, and it's easier to customize with simple CSS. When I was still using a theme from themeforest.net, just about every update meant a decrease in my site's performance because of added bloat. With GeneratePress, that ain't so. You can read the full changelog if you want to, but the gist of it is that everything is even faster thanks to optimizations to CSS and JavaScript files. Other than that, there's a few new hooks you can use. One that interests me allows you to display blocks, or anything for that matter, in the menu bar. So you could, for example, create social links using Generate blocks and have them displayed next to your menu items. I've tried adding social links using the GeneratePress Premium elements and Generate blocks, but that hook didn't show up for me, so unfortunately I can't show you how this works. Now that you know what is new, I guess you're wondering what to do as a designer or developer behind a WordPress site powered by GeneratePress. You can prepare yourself by creating a staging site. Next, install the alpha version and play around with it. If you want the benefit of the new Flexbox Grid, you can enable it and hunt for any errors. Just keep in mind that many of the errors you might see are down to GeneratePress and might not be caused by your code. This isn't even beta software yet. All in all, this is an update to be excited about. I'm more than happy I chose GeneratePress as my default theme. No, it's not the flashiest theme and doesn't come with any sliders or page builders or what have you, but it is the best at what it does. If you're interested in working with this theme, I do have a bunch of guides here on my channel as well as on my website. So make sure you check them out and subscribe to my channel. As always, please do leave me a like if this video helped you out in any way. I've been Liam Alexander Coleman and it has been enough from me for one day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.